Malong and Auntie Tita Annabel came.
Oh.
And then, the Queen of the South, Annabel, came also.
Wow!
Pilita and I made a movie.
Uh-huh.
Dolphy calls me up, Eddie, meron tayong pelikula. Ako tsaka si Nida, ikaw at tsaka si Pilita. Ano, okay sa'yo? Aba, okay. So, the title of the movie was Tiririt ng Maya, Tiririt ng Ibon. Si Pilita ang Maya, ako ang Ibon.
Ikaw ang tiririt.
Malaki ang kinita ng pelikulang yun. Is, box office din ang naging tiyan ni Pilita.
Ah! Revelation! Ang daming revelation, ah.
At lumabas,
Ito!
Ramon Christopher.
Ah!
Gusto ni Pilita, Ramon. Sabi ko, I want Christopher. So, kasi Ramon is Spanish. Christopher, Saint Christopher was my favorite saint. Kasi si Saint Christopher, laging nag-a-abroad, malikot.
Oh, ganoon.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Kaya si Monsi naging Ramon Christopher.
Ah!
Pero alam mo, napakaswerte natin, Bilits. Ang dami nating apo. Janine, Jessica, Maxine, Diego. So, we're very lucky.
Roll call.
At si Jackie Lou nagkaroon ng kapatid na lalaki.
Wow!
Salamat! Hindi ako blessed.
So, yun ang naging history namin ni Pilita. And then we did Stop, Look, and Listen. Ako, I'm more of an actor. But when I was in Pilita, I also became a singer. Kasi we were singing together. So, this song is a rock and roll song. My national anthem. Maestro. For the show, drink the carry, now go, cat, go.
Yeah! Whoa!
Step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they hold my blue suede shoes. You can knock me down, step on my face. Stand my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do. You got a holiday over my shoes, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they hold my blue suede shoes. Go, go, yeah. Burn my house, my car, my liquor for my old food jar. Do anything that you wanna do. You got a holiday over my shoes, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. But you can do anything that you hold my blue suede shoes. Well, blue suede shoes, yeah. Blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes.